Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be working on getting rid of my rust issue. If you remember correctly, in the last episode, I saw a little bit of rust on the floor. We're going to get rid of that. I never want that coming back. So we're going to hit it with a wire brush and a die grinder, and then some rust reformer. We're going to make sure it never comes back, because I don't want to do this again. It's a lot of work, and I don't like my car being undrivable. With all that taken care of and everything nice and tidy ready for you, let's get into the video. Explain what you just saw, or should I say what you didn't see. What you just saw was me trying to pull the carpet up so I could get to the rust spot right underneath the driver's side pedal. It's a common issue on these cars. Moisture will sit down there and just rust through the floor. Fortunately, this one didn't look that bad. Unfortunately, I had to stop recording because after a while of trying to get the pedal out, I got kind of frustrated. There's two little plastic clips that you have to pull forward and a little plastic thing you have to pull down, and then use the brute force of God to pull the pedal off. Well, eventually I did get it. I didn't record any of it because I looked like an ape. But now we're here. I've rust reformed everything. I'll show you that here. Not too terribly interesting, but now a day later, everything is dry and it's ready to start putting back together. With that being said, I'm still waiting for a couple of pieces so we can go to a point, but no further. Also, by the time this is finished for YouTube, I'm still going to be waiting for some pieces because BMW has stuff back ordered. Maybe you'll get a video later, but I think next video we're going to try a new series, or we're going to work on my Mini because it does need a little bit of love. Unfortunately, I don't think this video is going to go 10 minutes, and my goal so far has been to stick between 8 and 10 minutes, and I hit that one by the wire last video. So here's some time-lapse of me working on some interior pieces that I forgot to put into another video. Enjoy. with all that said and done, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, welcome. If you've been around for a while, thank you for the support. But as always, I'll see you next time.